So entertainment tax liability into on the cinema theaters owners who transfer the burden to the cinema goers. யாரெல்லாம் சினிமாக்கு போகிறாங்களோ அவங்களுக்கு அந்த டிக்கெட் மூலிமா அவங்களுடைய டேக்ஸை கலெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கிறாங்க. சர்வீஸ் டேக்னா சார்ஜ் டு ஆன் த சர்வீஸ் லைக் த ரீஃபண்ட் பில், இன்சூரன்ஸ் ப்ரீமியம் சச் அஸ் ஃபுட் பில் இன்டு recent rent, etc. Merits of indirect tax: wider coverage. All the consumers, whether are the rich or poor, have to be pay the indirect tax for the reasons. It is said to that indirect tax can be covered more peoples than the direct tax. For examples, in India, everybody pay the indirect tax against just 2% paying income tax at the equitables. The indirect tax sustains the on the equity, the higher tax is imposed on the luxury to the rich peoples. Economical cost of the collections to the less of the producers and retailers collected to the tax they pay to the governments. The traders such act as the honorary tax collection. As a check harmful concerns in the government imposed the indirect tax. The other commodities is the harmful of the health and the tobacco and the liquidity of the air known as the sins tax. Convenient indirect tax is the level to the commodities and services. Whenever the consumers make a purchase, they pay the tax. Okay, so along with the price, they do not feel to the paying tax. So demerits in the higher cost of the collections. Cost of collection of indirect tax is higher than the direct tax. So government is has to spend the huge money to collecting the indirect tax. Inelasticity. Indirect tax the less elasticity of comparing to the direct tax. So indirect taxes are a general proportional. Regressive which indirect taxes sometimes unjust under aggressing the natures, since the both rich and poor persons have to pay the same amount of the tax. So irrespective to the income level. So uncertainty, the rise of the indirect taxes in price, reducing the demanded for the goods, and therefore the government is uncertainty among the expenditures revenue collectively source. Dalton says that under the indirect taxes 2 plus 2 is 4, but the 3 are the even the less than the 3. So no civics contributions. As the tax is hidden to the price, the consumers should not aware to the pay tax pay பண்றவங்க awareness எங்களுக்கு இருக்காது. ஸோ இது ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்டான ஃபைமா இருக்கு. டைரக்ட் டாக்ஸ்க்கு இன்டைரக்ட் டாக்ஸ் என்ன கம்பேரிஷன் அப்படின்னா, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல் மீனிங் டைரக்ட் டாக்ஸ் ரெஃபர் டு அஸ் த டாக்ஸ் liable to the person's income and wealth and paid to the directly to the government. Indirect taxes refer to the tax liable to the persons who consumed the goods services that pay to indirect tax to the government. Progressive, the regressive. சரியா? So falls on the same persons, falls on different person. Income or wealth of the purchase, sales, manufacturing or goods and provisions of the services. Tax evasion is not possible. Tax evasion is hardly possible because the including in the price other the goods and services. Direct tax help to the controlling inflation. Indirect tax up price inflation. Impose the and collectively from the assistance individuals, HUF, into unlimited families, the compared to the firm, அப்படிங்கிறாங்க. Impose the collectively from the consumption goods and services but paid to the deposited by the assets. Cannot be shifted, it can be shifted அப்படின்னு சொல்லி அழகாக எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுறாங்க. GST service tax, indirect tax is the replace to the many indirect tax under India. The goods and service tax is the passed to the Parliament 29 March 2017. The act of the effective to the July 2017. Goods and service tax India, the comprehensive and multi-stage and disnational basic tax, that is the leave to the every value of additions. The simple words, goods and service tax is a GST. So indirect tax levied on the supply of the goods and services. This is last to the paying maintained to the indirect tax law and provisions of the extension. GST is one indirect tax entered to the country. So under the GST, return to the tax will be due to the financial position of the sales. Tax intra sales state GST, central state GST, and intra-state will be charged the internal integrating GST. Okay, next is GST already very well. Single and replacement multi-level of the manufacturing and supply to the consumer. Designation of base consumer goods of the managing in the Tamil Nadu are sold in the final consumer in the Karnataka. Since the goods and service tax levied to the point of the consumptions, as Karnataka and either the revenue will be Karnataka and not a Tamil Nadu. Compensation of GST, Components of GST is three types of GST: CGST, SGST, IGST. இது ஆல்ரெடி லாஸ்ட் லெசனே பார்த்துருப்போம் 11th. So collective of the central government is the India state sales. So within the state union territory. SGST அப்படின்னா collector of the state government of the state within the state of the union territory. IGST அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு central government as intrastate of the state. So Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. So most of the tax situations are under the new agreeing with the following அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. So several sales within the state CGST, SGST. Sales within another state na IGST அப்படின்னு ஃபாலோ பண்றாங்க. ஓகேவா? Nature of the sales tax and VAT and GST. Sales tax is a multiple tax within the cascading effect. VAT is multiple tax without the cascading effect. GST is one point tax without the cascade effect. So advantage of GST, GST will maintain remove the cascading affecting those to sales goods and services. Remove the cascading effect of the directly impact to the cost of goods since tax on taxes elimination in the regime and cost is goods and decrease. GST is the mainly technological drawn. All the activities like registration return to the fields applicable for the refunded responses to the notice need to be done online and GST portal will be speed up to the process. Did you understand for this concept, ma?